Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another 3 looks, 1 palette video. Today's video will feature the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I want to make a special shout out to Jessica because she gifted me this palette and I really like it. I've used it a number of times and I've been looking forward to doing this video to see what this palette can do at its full potential. The 3 looks 1 palette challenge has been so fun. It really makes you use the palette in the best ways possible. Some are obviously way easier than others. This one's going to be a fun one. I'm really looking forward to this. But anyway, if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching. As a reminder, what the rules are is I only dip into this palette for my eye look. I do not use any other products such as highlight, for example, to enforce the eye look. Alright, so here is the 3rd and final look. Yeah, this totally gives like a lot of sunset vibes. I'm pretty sure I had, the first time I used this was the first impressions get ready with me, and I think it was like a beach sunset kind of a thing. I love these. I've dipped into this separately and used random colors for other looks, which honestly on a basic day-to-day that's what I do, and that's why I really enjoy doing this challenge, because you really are able to see how can you use this palette, you know, exclusively, or any palette. We are at the end of this video, and for a spoiler for the next 3 looks 1 palette, I'm so freaking excited, by the way. Focus. The Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien palette will be the next video in this series, and I'm so fucking excited for this. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until the next one.